Utilizing the wall is a great way to keep yourself in place when you're twisting on your back. Although it is a very simple setup, there are also many leg variations that you can do depending on how deeply you wish to move into the twist. Start by scooching into the wall on your side so the hips get all the way to the wall, and then lift the legs up the wall. From here, all you'll do is slide the feet down and then tip both legs to the right as you open the arms to a T and look left. For added support, especially for the ladies with wider hips, stack a blanket or a bolster in between the knees and ankles. This extra prop allows the inner groin to relax. To transition to the other side, just slide the feet up and over. Taking with you that prop and then opening the arm out, gazing at that extended arm. Now let's see a variation where we add a hip opener. So coming into it the same way, slide the feet down the wall, and then you'll cross the ankle of the top leg over the knee of the bottom, stepping that top foot onto the floor. Don't forget to switch sides. Great work.